Hello everybody, welcome to my channel RR Simple Recipes. Today I wish to show some items or materials which I bought for the past 10 months. After the lockdown I could not buy some small things, but before that I bought some things related to cookery, kitchen items. I bought this set of teacups, 6 numbers for 300 rupees. The design, I like the design of the teacups very much, so I bought this. And I bought wooden spatulas, 4 numbers. I bought it from the nearby supermarket. I bought this decoction coffee filter, a small one, only for making 2 cups of decoction. 2 cups of coffee decoction for very small. Till now I didn't use it, but I have to use it earlier. You have to put the decoction coffee powder here and use this and add hot water here, and through these holes the decoction will be collected in this vessel. Then after that we have to add milk, sugar, and we have to make the coffee. I am fond of earthen vessels because if you cook with earthen vessel, it is good for health. Already I showed this vessel in one of my recipe. Along with that I bought this shaped vessel. This is a tall one. This is a tall one, and this is short and wide. And one more. I have to season this. Till today I didn't season it, these 2 vessels. I have to season it. This is for making curd, and this is for making dal and other sabjis. All 3 together costs around 200 rupees. But this is good for health. I bought this iron kadai, cast iron kadai for rupees 550. This is big in size, as well as the handles are good condition. So I bought this. Cast iron kadai holds heat for much time, as well as the weight is more. Along with that I bought a lid also, aluminium lid for this. The lid cost rupees 60. The lid exactly fit to this cast iron kadai. So I have to use this as early as possible, because we can make many good things with this kadai. This I bought for rupees 50 for keeping spoons, knives, etc. We can keep spatulas also in this. My old sieve looks very it's not looking very good, so I bought a new sieve. So I like this color and designs in this, so I bought this. This is for 80 rupees. I bought these 2 ladles of 2 different sizes. I am already having 3 ladles, but I bought this. This cost around 80 rupees per piece. And this is 40 rupees. This is small in size. Only half of the height of this. But this is also useful for taking the things from the oil. Usually I make my appams and paniyarams with my old traditional vessel. But I never used non-stick vessel. So I bought this non-stick paniyaram vessel. Company's name Trishna, and it cost around 150 rupees. Through Amazon I bought the one more glass lid. It cost around, I forgot the price, but around 500 rupees. Glass lid, one more glass lid I bought. I am not endorsing Amazon, but many things I bought through Amazon. I bought these two kitchenware brushes, silicone brushes through Amazon, and it cost around 170, I think, along with the delivery charges. I bought the set of these food saving containers and micro oven proof. This 5 sets inside, again and again 5 small sizes, so 5 pieces are there, and I like the color, so I bought this. I bought a pair of airtight containers through Amazon. I like this color, so I bought a pair. One of my sister recommended me this dishwash concentrate from Reliance Mall. So this is a set of 2. One is a refill pack and is original. This cost around 125. Till today I didn't use it, but I'll try it later. But I like this packing, so I bought these scrubs. For 125 rupees, if we buy one, we can get one free. I bought some colorful plates and bowls from Reliance Mall. This red color bowl, this plate. I like this color very much, so I bought a set. And green color and colorful spoons from Reliance Mall. Then I like this plate very much, so I bought this. This cost around 49 rupees. I like all the products in Reliance Mall. Colorful plates and colorful spoons are only for my YouTube purpose. I bought this fruit basket for 379 rupees from a supermarket, nearby supermarket. I like this, and we can use it for straining some washed materials like poha, rice also. But this is very good looking. I bought this set of knives. So this is small in size, and this is little bit big. It is written made in Germany. Made in Germany. Let us see, and let me use it and see. I bought this knife. This is very big, and I liked it very much. The size is big, and it cost around 369 rupees, and such a big knife, and the weight is also more. This is useful for cutting chicken, mutton and big fishes, mainly for cutting non-vegetarian items. So this I liked it very much, so I bought this. There's a hole on the top. I have to use this as early as possible. Some 5 days back, again I went to Reliance Mall and bought this strainer, big strainer. My old one was not good condition, so I bought this strainer, and it cost around 199 rupees. Through Amazon, I bought this mixing bowl from Milton. Last week I bought this through Amazon. This is around 2500 ml, and the actual cost may be around 500, but in offer I bought it for 342 rupees. Through Amazon I bought this juicer, and it's 0.5 liter, half liter. Till today I didn't use this, I have to use this earlier. And this cost around 1000 rupees. The plug is there. So this is good for making citrus juices with Musumbi or orange or lemon, only for citrus fruits. Measurements are there on one side. We can see the measurements of the juice. So I think this is very useful. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.